Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe because I'll be uploading a video every day on how to make money through affiliate marketing, through social media, and through other ways. And I'm sure you don't want to miss that. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up and turn on notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. So let's start. This video website I'm going to be using to get money by listening to music. The name of the website is Life for Like. And for you to understand how to make money using listen to music, I would advise you to stick to the end of this video because I'm going to show you more steps that you can use to gain more money than this. So I would advise you to stay to the end. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification button so you can get notified every time I post a video. So this is the website Life for Like. It's a social media marketing where you can sell Facebook Live, Facebook comment, YouTube views. You can sell anything concerning social media. So now I'm going to start to register. So you have to go back to your email and verify and get a verification code that will be sent to your email from the site. It will show you a successful verification code. So now this is what it looks like when you create your account. So you just have to go over here, then end credits. So now you can choose anyone you want to do for. I told you this site you use to get likes for like YouTube views, for subscribe, anything you want to do. So you can just go down to, like I said, you're going to be getting money by listening to music. Now you're going to be listening to music through SoundCloud. Click on SoundCloud, then you go down to SoundCloud listening. So now this is how it works. You can see I have 30 credits in my account, yes. So you listen. So you play it. You have to watch it 1 second.
Hearts frozen like a snowman. Hearts frozen like a snowman. Cut it open, blood.
So to complete the challenge, you have to click on the repeated item image. So I think this one is repeated. Click on it. So now I've already ended my 1 credit. Cancel it. You can see it's reflected here. 31. So what to do again? So with this is 10 credits. So I'm going to teach you how you convert these credits into money. So now you have to go to the site playerup.com. That's the name of the site. Playerup.com. You can see it. Playerup.com. So once you enter the site, this is the site that you'll be converting those credits into money. Like I said, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to earn more money. So you just scroll down to the very end where you see all other games. What you can use this site to sell games or buy games, anyone you want to do. You can sell a lot of things in this app. Yeah, Facebook, Instagram. You can buy Instagram from here. You can buy anything, Xbox account, anything you want to sell and buy. And they accept any payment, Bitcoin, PayPal, any kind, credit card. So you don't have to do all other games and marketplace. Then you click on I. You scroll down to Instagram. Click on Instagram. So you can see the different things you can sell or buy Instagram account, comments, usernames, the game mention, likes, or service or views, any way you like. But now I'm going to be dealing with Instagram followers. So here you can see different people that want to sell their Instagram followers. You can see the social media service store, like, comment, view, followers, 10% service penalty. That's for $5. Instagram famous full offer 1 million Instagram followers, 2,000. You can see that one cost for 20k real and engaging non-drop followers, no bot ghost followers, $70. So now you're going to be converting that your credit you have on life for like money on the site. So now I'm going to show you. This is going to be the step. For those of you that stay to the end, now you're going to enjoy the tips. So now I'm going to show you how you can do that. So all you just have to do is go here, then you click on this bar. Sorry. You come here, you click on this, and click on add on my task. So you go to Instagram follows. You come down, then you scroll. So for example now, okay, let me open my Instagram account. So this is the URL. You copy the URL. You go back to this site, paste it. Then you can choose amount. Like I have 31. This and I'm okay. I'll select 10. You can put anything, but I'll just put follow up. Add URL. Now you see you put 10, so we have 31. I'm going to gain 3 extra followers. So instead of you putting your own Instagram account, so the Instagram account you get from here, from people that give you, you send it to your mail, people that want to buy Instagram followers. So they send it to your mail, you just come here, come to this page, paste their URL, add them, then you put the amount of credits you want to put. So, and again, the higher the credit, the more you have, more people that will follow you more on the site. So now with 10, so until when somebody follows you, your credits drop by 10. So you're going to have 31 now when somebody follows you. So that's how to sell your followers to get money, and that's how to gain money by listening to music. So I hope you enjoyed this video and make use of it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Um, turn on notification to get notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you.